E-bike conversion kits have revolutionized the cycling world, allowing riders to transform their regular bicycles into electric-powered machines. The Livall PikaBoost 2 and the Zipforce Slim are prominent players in this market. Both offer unique features and benefits, but which one stands out as the better choice? So, without further ado, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two e-bike conversion kits. The PikaBoost 2 boasts a sleek and modern look that can be installed or removed in under a minute. It features a shock-absorbing spring design for a secure fit, even on rough terrain. The kit uses 4 anti-theft screws and a unique Allen wrench for installation, adding an extra layer of security. Its adjustable design allows it to fit wheel sizes from 14 to 29 inches and accommodate tire widths between 25-65 mm. The Zipforce Slim, true to its name, is designed to be lightweight and unobtrusive. It's marketed as the lightest e-bike conversion kit available, making it an attractive option for cyclists who prioritize weight savings. The kit is designed to be easily detachable, allowing riders to switch between electric and regular cycling modes effortlessly. In terms of performance, the PikaBoost 2 is powered by a cutting-edge Livall 500 series motor, delivering impressive performance with a peak power of 500 W. This allows for speeds of up to 32 km/h and efficient hill climbing. The motor boasts 88% conversion efficiency, maximizing energy usage. The kit comes with a 158 Wh lithium-ion battery, providing a range of up to 70 km on a single charge. An optional 220 Wh battery upgrade extends the range to 96 km. The Zipforce Slim, on the other hand, features a 250 W nominal output power motor, which adheres to common e-bike regulations in many regions. It's powered by a 22.2 V, 9.6 Ah battery with a capacity of 211 Wh. This configuration offers a maximum range of 40 km on a single charge. The Zipforce Slim can propel riders up to the legal limit of 25 km/h in most regions. The PikaBoost 2 comes packed with additional features. It incorporates AR 2.0 technology, which provides personalized assistance by learning and adapting to the rider's style. A regenerative braking system captures kinetic energy during braking to extend battery life. The kit also offers fast charging, fully charging in 3 hours using PD 3.1 and QC 3.0 technology. The battery doubles as a portable power station with up to 100 W output. Riders can choose from multiple riding modes including workout, eco, power assist, and cruise modes. Safety features include anti-slip tires, intelligent e-brake, fall detection, and slip detection. An LED rear light enhances visibility and syncs with Livall smart helmets. The Livall app provides device tracking, ride statistics, and remote control features. The Zipforce Slim, while more streamlined in its approach, still offers some notable features. It uses a wireless pedal sensor that activates the motor when pedaling for a natural riding experience. The assistance level is adjustable, allowing riders to set their preferred level of motor support. A mobile app offers ride statistics and settings adjustments. The kit includes a built-in light for enhanced visibility and a brake power recovery system that recharges the battery during downhill rides. It also features a reverse mode, allowing for rear wheel mounting if preferred. The Livall PikaBoost 2 and Zipforce Slim are two e-bike conversion kits that cater to different needs and preferences. The PikaBoost 2 offers a more powerful motor, a longer range, and smart features, making it suitable for hilly terrain or longer distances. However, it comes with a slightly heavier and potentially more complex system. The Zipforce Slim, on the other hand, excels in simplicity and weight savings, offering a lighter design and the flexibility to switch between electric and non-electric riding. Both kits promise quick and easy setups, with the PikaBoost 2 offering a sub-1 minute installation time. The Zipforce Slim's wireless pedal sensor offers a cleaner look without additional wiring. The choice between these two kits depends on individual needs and preferences. Both kits represent significant advancements in e-bike conversion technology, making electric cycling more accessible to a wider range of riders. So, that was all about the Livall PikaBoost 2 versus Zipforce Slim. Which one you are thinking of buying? Let us know in the comment below.